What's good, guys? Today is currently Thursday, and this is like my first trade for the week. I think I took a trade on NAS, but it resulted in a very small loss, and it was very fast, so I could not record that. But this is basically my first trade for the week because I'm taking it on all my accounts. So I'm currently on this sell on Euro USD. I've been waiting for this sell. I was supposed to take a sell here yesterday after what is it called? After what's the news? I've forgotten the news, guys. What's the news? What's the news? FOMC. Yes, I was supposed to take a sell after FOMC, but I paper traded it. It smashed TP, and this one running is just a runner that's running. So I took a sell on Euro USD. Let's see how it goes, guys. And like I said, I took it on all my accounts. This is my Numa account currently in profit, and my other accounts too currently in profit. So hopefully it eats TP. If it eat TP, all well and good. If it does not eat TP, all well and still good. So I will update you guys. And I also called the trade on my Telegram channel because I felt the trade was a good trade, and I called it on my Telegram channel. So it's like a very good high probability trade for me. That is why I'm taking the trade. That's why I took the trade, and that is why I called the trade on my Telegram channel. So any which way, I will update you guys. So I'm currently risking 0.25%, open to scaling when the time comes. Scaling means enter another position when the time comes. But as it is now, I'm currently risking 0.25% on all my accounts. Aside my instant funding account, I'm risking 0.5% because, but I'll update you guys. Let's go. Let's see how it goes, guys.
What's good, guys? Before we continue with this video, I want to introduce you to the broker I trade with and the prop firm I trade with. The broker I trade with is Xness. Xness is a broker. They allow you to deposit a minimum of $10 and you can withdraw as low as $3, and their spreads are quite good because I've been using them for a while and I've been enjoying their spread. I'm not going to lie. And let me tell you one story that happened. I wanted to deposit on Xness just to show their reliability. Yeah, I wanted to deposit on Xness and I mistakenly deposited the wrong money. You understand? And I was like, I think the money has gone because the way we deposit on Xness, because you can use, for Nigerians, you can use your bank transfer to deposit. So I was wondering what went wrong, that I put the wrong amount and I was unable to deposit the money. And would you believe that they reversed my money in less than 5 minutes? I didn't talk to customer support, I didn't do anything, but they noticed that I did something wrong and they reversed my money. They are very reliable, they are not here to take your money. So I recommend you trade with Xness. The link is in the description box. Also, for those who are taking my free signals, yeah, I want you to use Xness to take my free signals, because when you take my free signals with Xness, it is guaranteed that you would make money and you would also be able to withdraw from the money without no excuses. And the prop firm I trade with Numa. Numa is a prop firm that I've been using also, and I've been enjoying their spread. I've been enjoying the platform, and I've never used Trade Locker before. They are the first prop firm I would use Trade Locker with, because I've been hearing from other prop firms or other people that use other prop firms that Trade Locker is doing this, Trade Locker is doing that on their firm. But I'm using Trade Locker on Numa, and I'm currently enjoying it. And there's a 20% discount if you use the code PIGEON100 and you get 20% discount on any account you buy. The phase one is 6%, you make 6%. Other pro firm are 8% and 10%. The phase two also is 6%. Other pro firms 8%, 6%. Do you understand, guys? So I would recommend Numa for you guys. I'm currently on phase two on my account, and I know I'm going to withdraw from that money. I want you guys to withdraw from the account, and let's see how it goes, guys. Let's get back to the video, guys, please.
So what's good, guys? I think this is going to be a winning trade. God, after many losses, guys. But I think this is going to be a winning trade. It can, even if it comes back, it's a break even. At least the winning streak will stop to an extent. It's a good trade, guys. Beautiful trade. I'm happy about the trade, yeah. Very, very happy about the trade. So I took the trade. I like I said I was going to scale in. Yes, and which I did. I scaled in into this trade. Very good scaling in. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you can close position. I don't know if you guys can see it. Come in, hold on. Yes. So that is the trade. I closed at $12. That is one of the partials. So when it was reversing back, I took partials. Yeah. Because I took entries on every of the trade. I took entries on every of the trade. So this trade too is going well. This one too is is going well, but it has not gotten to TP. So I'm waiting for it to get to TP. This is TP. Yeah, TP is 2R. Okay, this is TP. Yeah, so this is where I'll be closing the trade. This is where I'll be closing the trade because I still feel price wants to come to somewhere here. So I'll be holding, I don't know, I might hold this trade for a long time or I might not hold this for a long time. Who knows? Well, I will surely update you guys any which way the trade is going to be. I will let you guys know. Let's go. At last, all glory to God. All glory to. So guys, what's up? We just smashed TP. So we just smashed TP on this trade. I didn't wait for TP because as soon as price cleared out this liquidity I mentioned in the last video, I was going to close the trade. So I closed the trade as soon as price cleared this liquidity out. I did wait for TP because this 2 hour was supposed to make me $25. So I made it $25 already because I was, like I said, I was risking 0.25%. And on the other trade, I didn't go fully on the other trade. So I made roughly 0.75, yeah, instead of 0.75%, yeah, because I made 0.5% on one trade, then I made 0.25 on another trade. So that is 0.75. So and my total risk was 0.25. So that is literally 1 to 3 hours. So I can't complain. I can't complain at all. There's no need to be greedy at all. I did not do this calculation before, but now calculating it, I just did 1 to 3 hours, risking 0.25%, and I made 0.75%. So it's good because when I am scaling, the way I reduce my stop loss, I'll be losing less. So I'll be losing 0.25% instead of for the two entries. There's a way I do it. So as you can see, the price is still dropping, but there's no need to be greedy. Take what you want to take, especially when you're in a losing streak. Take what you want to take and leave the rest. You can't catch all the moves. You can't catch the full moves. That is what one thing I know. You can't catch the full move. So just leave the rest. The rest should go. Whoa, guys, if you are leave the rest to go. There's no need to bother. There's no need to think too much about it. Yeah, it was a good trade. Wow, it was a good trade, guys. Although it took time. I think it took about 1 hour 30 minutes or an hour for it to move like this. But I made 3 hours, so there's no need for me to complain about anything. So I think I've been taking wins recently. I've been taking wins recently, which is a good thing. I'm taking wins recently, which is a good thing. April was just a bad month for me, but it's all good. So I'm still down 4% on this account. I'm down 4%, like 4% on this account. On my life account, I'm down 0.75% on my life account. So on my life account, I'll be risking if I want my next trade to be 0.5%. My next trade on my life account to be 0.5%. If I drop down to 900, I'll go back to 0.25%. So that's just it. So 0.5% on my life account. Meanwhile, on this phase 2 account, I'll still be going 0.25% because I'm still down around 3.5%. Yeah, I'm still down 3.5% on this account. So I'll still be going 0.25% on this account. So it's all good. I don't know if I will trade tomorrow because my weekly target has just been smashed. So I don't know if I'm going to take another trade tomorrow because if my weekly target has been smashed, I don't know where next price wants to go to. So this might be my last trade for the week. who knows, this might be my last trade for. So this week, if this is my last trade for the week, this week I took 2 trades, one a small loss and a big win. So it's a winning week, yeah. A winning week. Let's go. After like 4 months or 5 months, we have a winning week, a clean winning week. So even if I take a trade tomorrow and I take a loss, it is still a winning week. So that is the power of RR and the power of risk management. So if I get a trade tomorrow, you would see me in the next clip. If I don't get a trade, you still see me in the next clip, but doing a different thing. So guys, let's go. Peace.
What's good, guys? So the week has finally ended, and it was a winning week. My first winning week in like 4 to 5 weeks. This is my first winning week, and like I said, the winning week is coming. It's close, very close. I can't feel it. Although it took 2 weeks for the winning week to come, but yeah, it is finally here. And so I took 2 trades this week. Yeah, one trade was a small loss, and the second trade was a big win, around 1 to 3 hour. Yeah, I lost 1 hour or less than 1 hour, and I made 3 hour. So it was a winning week. On my Numa account, I took just one trade, because the trade I took a small loss on my other account, I can't take that trade on Numa. Yeah, due to some reasons personally for me. So I didn't take the trade on Numa. So on Numa, I took just one trade, and it was a winning trade. So that was 100% win rate for that week on Numa. But on what is it called? On my other accounts, it was, I would say, 50 to 70% win rate. But I don't deal with win rate like that. Yeah, so because at the end of the day, I don't feel win rate is the main thing. The main thing is having a proper risk management psychology and knowing when to scale in and scale out of your trade. I think that is the main that is the most important thing. And this week was a good week, and I'm happy that the losing streak has ended, and hopefully the winning streak will start from here. And when I took my winning trade, I noticed that my account went higher. Like there was a boost in my account. Do you understand? And I was like, losing trades really doesn't matter. Losing trades and winning trades, it really doesn't matter. The main thing is having a proper risk management. When you have a good risk management, yeah, even when you are taking losses, one win can make up for 3 losses. Like now, this one win now, it made up for I think three losses in a row, because it's a 1 to 3 hour. Yeah, so it has made up for 3 losses. So I feel risk management is the most important thing. If you have a plan for risk management, because everything you do in trading, there must be a plan. There must be a plan for your psychology. How many trades you want to take in a day, how many trades you want to take in a week. That is a plan for your psychology. There must be a plan for your risk management. How many percent you want to risk per trade? How many percent do you want to risk in a single day? How many percent do you want to risk in a single week? That is a trading plan for your. That is a plan for your risk management. There's a plan for your trades. There's a plan for your session. There's a plan for everything in trading. So if you don't plan properly, you are planning to fail properly. Do you understand? So that is what I feel. So you must always have a very good plan, and learn how to trade less. This week I took 2 trades this week. Yeah, one trade was a loser, one trade was a winner. And the trade that was a loser, looking back at it, I was not patient enough to take that trade. It would have been a very good trade, a winning trade at that. So all you have to do is trade less, have a plan for everything you are doing in trading. Even in life, have a plan, a specific plan that you need to follow. Then just follow the plan, and before you know, everything will start to work out good. So that's all I can say for this week, guys. It's a good week. See you next week, guys. Peace.